Hey guys, Oblivion Blade here today, and I'm back for another video of Battle Cats. Now, this is episode 2 of Battle Cats, and it's Battle Cats, and yeah. So, sorry, I need to turn the music up because I know we need to turn the music. Oh my god! Oh, 3,000 XP, not bad. Anyways, guys, we're getting our daily stamps right now, so do this. Let's start up. And let's see what we have here. We have facing Cambodia. Let's go into Cambodia and see what they have in store for us. Cambodia. What are you gonna do, Cambodia? I send out my cats. Your cats no match for me. Your cats are no match for me. Cause oh my god. Come on, Mr. Cat. Hi. I am a cat. Am I not? Yes, I am. Alright. Good. I need to keep talking because I'm gonna get copyrighted for the music. Please, Ponos. Please, Ponos. Alright. Oh goodness. Oh goodness, come on. Come on, fight. Fight. Alright. Time to make some interesting commentary. My toilet's very big. How are you guys today? Yeah, I'm very good with commentary, thank you very much. So, how's your toilet? Good? Yeah. Also, have your toilet good. Oh yeah, sending the guy we unlocked last episode, or with the other guys, Mr. Axecat, Senor Axecat. And let's just send in another one. Woo! We won against Cambodia. Oh god, various smiles of children. Well, let's do the Philippines then. Why not do the Philippines? Philippines, so good. So good. So good. Right, bananas. Ugh, agree. It's gonna be Tank Cat. Alright then, Tank Cat, decent. Oh yeah. Tank Cat, I just called him decent. Get triggered. Anyways, I'ma just meet Shield, even though I can't meet Shield, so I'm way too early in the game. So I'm gonna just, God, I love Tank Cat to walk. I'm just sending another cat. But oh yeah, by the way, Tank Cat has an area attack, so you can hit multiple enemies at a time. How cool is that? Wow. Wow, that's a lot of health. It's a lot of tanks and a lot of health. God, we gotta kill that. How many Tank Cats are we gonna get? Oh, that was like a multiple hit on those guys. Oh no, one of my Tank Cats. It's like Hydra. Like a Hydra, pretty much. If you chop one off, another one comes. Oh yeah, let's send in an Axecat. Axecat is actually pretty fast. If you compare him to the normal cat, he's a bit faster. Oh wow. Oh wow, we are breaking through. Alright, Axecat. The combat ninja. Bad puns. So, how was your day, guys? I'm gonna turn off the volume for this peaceful moment. How's your day, guys? Yep. Good? Yeah, mine has been pretty good too. Yeah, we just won. I'm gonna turn on other players' videos. A new cat waiting to be upgraded. Is this a good cat? Yes, it is. It's a gross cat. Oh yeah, a gross cat. Yeah, very, very, very good cat. How much does this guy cost? 400. Yeah, 400 at the starting stage. Wham wham. 0 XP, but quite a bit of efficiency. Got my cats equipped. Japan. Can't wait till I can put my first rare cat capsule. See what we get. Probably not gonna get anything good, but yeah, they cost 400. Well, right, I can get him. Let me showcase this cat to you guys. Dun 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 dun. I am God now. 'Cause I will be God and I will be bun. Oops, sorry, spoilers. No, I can't spoil. Wow! Look at him, he's so tall. I don't know what he's supposed to represent, but whatever he's representing, he has to kill itself. Send in another one. Come on. God, this efficiency isn't good at all. No. Oh no, we can't one-shot those guys. He's gonna have some troubles. You can't even. Come on. Here you go. Wasn't that hard? Right. Alright. How much damage does he do? 100. This is our first boss, guys. I forgot about this guy. It's Hippo. It's Hippo. I'm not sure even how to call it. Oh no, Hippo is later on. Right. Woo! Double smack. Vai! No. Woo! Get smashed, mate. Alright. Got tons of those guys. Let's fend them off while we finish business. Unfinished business. Woo! Oh no, Hippo, here we go. Hippo. We can get some damage off with the axe cannon. Oh no. This is the cat cannon! Oh wow. Destroys tank cats, man. 4 hits? Yeah, 4 hits, tank cats. We need to keep getting our tank cats in it. It's 3 hits. 4 hits. No, they're moving forward. Alright, let's get this guy. And this guy, come on. Moving forward. Oh god. Let's do this. Our cats are actually doing it and they all got smashed. This is what I mean by hippo. A hippo. For a second I thought that was an elephant. Would you kindly die, sir? I know it's a strange asking thing, but would you kindly die? No, come on. Yes! Oh, we killed him. Dun 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 la 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 la. We killed him and we're the best. We can't send another gross guy. But hey, we killed him. Oh god, drinking from the bottle is stuck in my head. We were doing it today at school for dance. School life. Horrible. Anyways, oh, you guys want me to turn the music on? There you go. You like that? So I guess I said Kronos doesn't copyright me. Comment down below if you guys really do want it. Oh my god, no, this is it. Cat Seeker, new event staged, cat capsule machine, user rank. Alright, so we've got a silver ticket. Woo! We've got 30 cats. Decent stuff. We've got 5,000 XP. Anything else? Nope. Didn't think so. Alright, we've got new missions. We've got it to claim. Alright, we've got 120 cat food. Not bad. Check our cat. Oh, we've got new cat guys. There's all my new cats. This is basic cat. This is a time cat. This is the axe cat. We've got 140 cat food. Alright. Let's see what we can get from this. Oh, new cat cats. Oh, fish cat. Oh, I didn't actually go to that. I was about to say, alright, red cats. At least we're going to the so anyways, let's do this lucky ticket. What do we get? Jurassic? No, that's not Jurassic. That is Jurassic. Alright, we got Jurassic cat, guys. Our first rare cats. Pretty cute. And I got an event ticket. Oh yeah, we can do another one because we have a first time this time. Let's do it. 2 rare cat capsules in the opening. And we've got a dumb pirate cat. God, I hate this guy. I mean, his evolution's okay, good at pirate cat, but still. Sorry, I spoiled that. Horrible. So sorry, I'm such a bad YouTuber. And now we've got 2 event capsules to open. These things. An event capsule. What do we get from this? Oh, we got a little cow cat, which we can add to our loadout. Use. Little cow. What do we get? Another one. Got 2 of them. I'm gonna do one more country after this. Oh, we got a little cat. Woo! We're on fire. Alright, little cat. Little cat. Let's do this. Alright, little cat. Now, that's all of it, guys. Every single one of my own. Well, okay then. Let's get equipped. Alright. Let's equip the little cat. Little cat only costs 50. Little cat costs 500. Third, absolutely absurd. Let's put Jurassic. Let's put Jurassic cat in. Jurassic cat. So good. Jurassic cat. Put this. What do we upgrade? I want to upgrade my efficiency. Let's upgrade my efficiency in my wallet. Do one more level, and that'll be it for this Battle Cats video. See, I'm not sure we're at 10 minutes yet, but like I said, these first few types of episodes won't be that long, but I'll try my best. Don't know how long the last one was, so here's Jurassic cat. It's pretty fast actually. It's gonna hit it with his bone, I'm guessing. Yeah. Oh, actually, it's decently fast actually. I underestimated this cat. Wow. It's actually pretty strong. I haven't got this ever. Ever have I got Jurassic. How much damage? Not that much. Not that much. Oh, how much knockback damage? Oh, what was that? Oh yeah, critical hit. Yeah, critical hit. Very good. Oh no! We've got 3 of these Jurassic cats. God, these guys are so bad. Yeah, nothing can go past these guys now. Right. Alright, that was pretty fast. I'm not gonna be that unfair on you guys. One more stage, let's do it. So Singapore. Yes. Ooh, let's go into Singapore. Jurassic cats. Jurassic cats. Jurassic cat. Alright, let's do this. So we've got Jurassic cat. I'm gonna hopefully nail these guys down with Jurassic cat like we did last time. Jurassic cat is OP. So yeah, let's hope that happens. It knocks them back and doesn't mean 2 hits, so. And it attacks decently fast, I have to say that. It's fast, attacks fast, has decent damage at level 1. But yeah, I know I'm gonna upgrade now, guys. My cats are so low. Like, it takes so long to, like, for example, if like, hold on, I just gotta deal with something, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh, sorry for this second interference, but I was just dealing with my friend because we were outside just yesterday, so he wanted to come out again. We can do some more stuff, but yeah, as I was saying, oh god, that's a lot of things. It's a lot of things. Come on, Jurassic, you can do it. You can do it, bro. You can do it. Oh my god. Critical hits everywhere. Those guys being smashed everywhere. Oh, come on, deploy my cat cannon. Look how many of those guys there are. I'm gonna save up money. I'm gonna try hard not to voice crack. Anyways, if you hear some breathing in the background, that's my friend. I just lighted him so I can finish my recording. I was gonna finish it anyways, so it feels like, oh yeah, that's a lot of horde of cats. Let's do this. Woo! Come on, tank cat, come on, tank cat. Let's go, take it. Oh my god. I sound like I'm speaking French, honestly. Oh, there's more peons. Mr. Peon. Oh yeah, that's the new cat, Fish Cat. Sorry, that's my fault. Fish Cat. He's pretty cool. He evolves into surprise, nothing. I'm just kidding, guys. He evolves into something, I just don't want to spoil it for you guys. Because this is a series after all. This is the second episode of this series. Let's hope those guys don't swarm at me again. One's out. One of those guys is out. Actually, 3 of those because, well, technically, I'm gonna get harassed so hard for my videos. Honestly, man, I'm not even kidding. All right. Superior Merlion. There's a new cat waiting to be upgraded. If this is the cat I think it is, then yes, it is. I will show you that cat in the next video, guys. But first, we need to just upgrade a bit of this tasty stuff. All right. So, be quiet, man. You can hear the breath in the video. Anyways, if you want me to do a collab with my friend, that's fine. Just comment and I will do it. This is the second episode. Yeah, the second episode. I'm so dumb, I can't even count. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. I'm just gonna stop my recording because I need to sweat.